This project studies the feasibility and benefits of a secondary market for mobile data. This is joint work with Liang Zheng and Qiwei Tan at the City University of Hong Kong, Carly Zhuang and Meng Cheng at Princeton University, and Sung-Tae Ha at the University of Colorado. In 2011, Verizon announced that it would end unlimited data plans in the United States and begin to impose monthly usage caps. 3 years later, capped data plans are the norm in the US, with hefty overage charges for exceeding the caps. Heavy users who consume a lot of data are disproportionately affected by data caps. One way for them to save money is to allow them to use leftover data caps from lighter users. In fact, Verizon and AT&T do offer shared data plans, in which many devices can share a data cap. However, most people will only share data plans with family members and close friends. Extending this idea would allow users to share data with anybody by buying and selling leftover data caps. This creates a secondary market for mobile data. Traded data plans were recently introduced by China Mobile in Hong Kong. Users can choose the prices they will pay for data and interact on a China Mobile provided platform. But several research questions remain. Can offering this traded data plan benefit ISPs and users? This figure shows users' interactions with each other and the ISP on a traded data platform. Buyers and sellers purchase capped data plans and trade on the ISP platform. If matched, buyers pay their bid price per unit data and sellers receive their bid price per unit data. The ISP keeps any difference as well as a usage-based administrative fee. ISPs can match multiple buyers to multiple sellers in order to increase the number of matched bids. Thus, a fraction of the data bid by one seller will be sold to any single buyer. ISPs can take care of the required accounting internally, with the matching transparent to users. Some users' bids may be only partially matched. The ISP matches users so as to maximize its revenue, which, in general, increases with the amount of data traded on the platform. This diagram shows that there are two sources of revenue. The shaded region shows the seller income, or the amount of money that the seller receives based on its bid price. Out of this, the seller receives some revenue. The ISP receives the rest of the amount paid by the buyer, fixed administrative fee, and bid revenue from the difference in the buyer and seller prices. We simulate ISP and user behavior using a 1-year dataset of monthly usage data from several hundred users. This figure shows the ISP revenue in each month. We see that the administrative revenue itself sometimes matches the ISP's revenue in the primary market, i.e., without the secondary data market. In most, but not all months, the ISP earns more revenue with the secondary market. We next show that buyers and sellers also benefit from the secondary market. The bars here represent utility before the secondary market, and the lines utility with the secondary market. We can see that both buyers, red bars in line, and sellers, green bars in line, consistently increase their utility with the secondary market, leading to an increase in the total market utility, represented by the blue bars in the blue line.